In contemporary society, prosperity is often associated with material possessions, such as luxurious houses, hefty bank accounts, vacation homes, and even extravagant yachts. However, the wealth possessed by the world's richest 1% goes far beyond these conventional markers. This elite group of individuals possess entire corporations, multi-billion-dollar investment funds, Caribbean islands, and even ventures into space. Over the past 2 decades, the average net worth of the top 1% has reached unprecedented heights, surpassing the combined wealth of the typical citizen. So today, I'll take you to rising above the 99% and joining the 1% club. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. The wealth of the top 1% is staggering, with a minimum net worth of 11.1 million required to be part of this exclusive club. To enter the coveted top 1%, individuals need to earn an average annual income of $758,000. As reported in the 2020 Billionaire Consensus, there were 2,825 billionaires worldwide in 2019, representing an 8.5 increase from the previous year. North America and Europe stood out with 834 and 847 billionaires respectively. Although Europe had more billionaires, North America's wealthiest individuals possessed higher total wealth, totaling approximately 3.5 trillion compared to Europe's 2.5 trillion. Leading the pack were China, Germany, and the United States, with China having 342 billionaires and a combined fortune of 1.2 trillion. Germany with 153 billionaires with a total wealth of 477 billion, and the United States dominating with 788 billionaires and a staggering combined net worth of $3.4 trillion. With these eye-opening figures in mind, one cannot help but wonder how these millionaires amass their fortunes. Millionaires can generally be divided into two categories: self-made millionaires and those born into wealth. The term self-made encompasses more than 2/3 of individuals with a net worth of $30 million or more. Regardless of the specific methods they employ to generate wealth, self-made millionaires share common characteristics, such as a focus on saving and diversifying their investments. Surprisingly, the majority of today's millionaires did not inherit their wealth. According to a 2019 WealthX research study, over 68% of individuals with a net worth of $30 million or more made their fortunes through their own efforts. Additionally, a Fidelity investment survey found that 88% of all millionaires are self-made, indicating that they did not rely on inheritance for their financial success. For self-made millionaires, key sources of assets include investments, capital appreciation, pay, employee stock options, profit sharing, entrepreneurship, and real estate investment appreciation. The road to becoming a self-made billionaire is not without its challenges, and many individuals have had to work tirelessly to achieve financial success. However, they also demonstrate foresight and skill in managing their newfound riches. So, what are some characteristics exhibited by self-made billionaires, and what lessons can we extract for our own investment strategies? Firstly, self-made billionaires tend to possess a strong work ethic, displaying unwavering dedication and perseverance in their pursuit. They are often driven by a deep passion for their chosen fields and are willing to go above and beyond to achieve their goals. Secondly, they possess an entrepreneurial mindset, constantly seeking innovative ideas and opportunities that set them apart from the crowd. Taking calculated risk and embracing failure as a stepping stone to success are common traits among this group. Additionally, self-made billionaires exhibit a relentless pursuit of knowledge and continuous learning. They are committed to staying updated with the latest industry trends, enabling them to make informed decisions and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Furthermore, self-made billionaires are known for their ability to think long-term and remain focused on their goals, even in the face of adversity. They possess a remarkable vision and the capacity to withstand short-term setbacks for the sake of long-term gains. Additionally, they emphasize the power of networking and building meaningful relationships. By surrounding themselves with talented and like-minded individuals, they leverage collaboration to achieve exponential growth and expand their spheres of influence. So, what are the characteristics you need to keep in mind? Well, here's a short list for you to follow. Number 1, they look for mentors. Billionaires and millionaires often recognize that they cannot possibly know everything. They actively seek out mentors who possess expertise in various aspects of saving and investing, benefiting from the insights and perspectives of these seasoned individuals. Mentors provide guidance, helping them navigate the complexities of the financial world. Through mentorship, these individuals gain invaluable knowledge that often translates into significant financial gains. Number 2, they don't fear failure. Billionaires understand the value of failure as a learning experience. While they do not actively seek failure, they approach risk with meticulous calculation and extensive testing. They recognize that failure provides valuable lessons and adjust their strategies accordingly. Once committed to a course of action, they give their all, fearlessly pursuing their goals with resilience and determination. Number 3, they strive with constructive criticism. Self-improvement is a perpetual journey for billionaires and millionaires. They actively seek criticism and feedback on their ideas and business methods, recognizing the importance of uncovering blind spots and ensuring the success of their enterprises. By seeking input from others, they gain fresh perspectives and valuable insights, refining their strategies and enhancing their chances of achieving financial success. And number 4, they're determined to reach their goals. One striking characteristic of billionaires and self-made millionaires is their ability to set ambitious goals and relentlessly pursue them. Whether it involves launching a business or achieving personal and professional milestones, these individuals have the drive to turn their ideas and desires into action. Many self-made millionaires who have achieved immense wealth without inheriting it share this common desire for success. Take Elon Musk as an example. Despite facing discouragement from those around him, his unwavering determination led him to create reusable rockets for SpaceX, revolutionizing space exploration. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, now you need to learn the importance of time management and smart investment. Billionaires and millionaires grasp the significance of effective time management and understand the value of time itself. They prioritize their commitments and tasks, ensuring that every moment is utilized purposefully. This mindset enables them to maximize productivity and efficiency in both their personal and professional lives. Now let's envision a scenario where you are a millionaire with a net worth of approximately $30 million. How would you choose to allocate and spend your money? While many individuals who suddenly come into wealth might be inclined to indulge in lavish purchases and acquire liabilities, this study suggests that self-made millionaires tend to prioritize adding stock assets to their financial portfolios. On the other hand, those born into affluence often focus on real estate investments. A common belief among millionaires is the importance of diversifying their investments. They invest in various areas, such as their primary residence, mutual funds, equities, and retirement accounts. Rather than allocating significant sums of money into depreciating assets, they focus on placing their funds where they can grow. For example, a car used for daily transportation is likely to depreciate in value over time. By prioritizing long-term growth, millionaires aim to maximize their financial potential. Most billionaires and millionaires understand the significance of saving money before spending it. Regardless of their annual earnings, they prioritize investing their funds in stocks, bonds, and other secure assets that have the potential to grow over time. This approach enables them to build and preserve wealth, setting them on the path to financial stability and prosperity. According to the Fidelity study, 30% of millionaires surveyed prioritize conserving their money, while 20% focus on expanding their wealth. These findings highlight the importance of striking a balance between preserving and growing one's financial resources. By combining cautious financial management with strategic investment decisions, individuals can maximize on their financial resources. Now that you're familiar with how they think, how can you actually become a millionaire or billionaire? Well, here's another short list for you. With number 1, focus on growing wealth, not superficial displays. To lay the foundation for billionaire status, it is crucial to prioritize long-term wealth accumulation over superficial displays of affluence. While it is tempting to invest in flashy cars or luxurious properties to appear wealthy, true billionaires understand that building their net worth is paramount among any other thing. They channel their financial resources into investments that have the potential to generate substantial returns and increase their overall wealth. Number 2. Leverage debt strategically. Contrary to popular belief, wealthy individuals are not averse to taking on debt. However, their approach differs significantly from the average person. Rather than accumulating debt through excessive credit card spending, billionaires strategically use debt to their advantage. They may borrow funds to invest in income-generating properties or ventures that appreciate in value over time, thereby augmenting their net worth. Number 3. Optimize tax benefits. Utilizing tax breaks is a common practice among the wealthy, enabling them to minimize their tax liabilities while maximizing their savings. Although this strategy is often associated with negative connotations, it is essential to recognize that anyone can benefit from understanding and leveraging tax benefits. By making informed investment decisions and taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, individuals can optimize their tax savings and potentially enhance their long-term financial prospects. Number 4. Pursue entrepreneurship and multiple income streams. Starting a business remains one of the most popular paths to wealth creation. While prominent entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and Richard Branson have achieved extraordinary success, aspiring billionaires do not necessarily have to reach the level. There are numerous business opportunities with low barriers to entry, particularly in the online realm. However, it is important to note that competition is fierce in the digital landscape, necessitating innovation and differentiation. Furthermore, diversifying income streams is crucial for long-term financial success. Relying solely on earned income, where time is directly exchanged for money, can limit growth and financial independence. Developing passive income streams such as through digital product creation, affiliating marketing, and rental properties allows individuals to free up time while generating consistent revenue. Well, that's basically rising above the 99% and joining the 1% club. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.